Our kind of kids, but they're not my kids. Like they're all more. They got parents.
Dude, I feel that, dude. Like, you're doing good, baby. You're doing good. Go ahead, take it off. I put $2 in and I got 12 minutes to wash my car, so let's get it. Say hi, Faith. Y'all stay tuned. So we are getting ready to use the Bougie dog wash. We have arrived. If you live in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and you're looking for a great place to wash your dog, you have found the place. Stay tuned. We're pulling up to the Bougie dog wash. Funny story about how we started going to this car wash. But guys, I want to update you guys. I'm very excited. We are getting ready to go on adventures, network with a bunch of people. I just signed my car up for Uber, and so on top of doing life insurance, all the other different gigs that I have, I'm excited to take you guys along with and share the experience, share some tips with you guys, what's working, what's not working, and all types of stuff. But God is good. Stay tuned. Faith, make sure no cars coming. Oh. All right, let's go. Alright guys, welcome to the Bougie dog wash. I'm really excited to take her here. So this is the funny part. Come here, Faith. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. Say hi. Hey, hang on, let me get it off. Being so patient on having kids and settling down. Do you have a main popular one of these? Is there like the most popular one? Do you know?
It really does vary. People have their favorites, but
ooh, lavender is always a good one.
The lavender's good. The lavender neem, especially if you got anything itchy going on, that neem is so good for the itchiness and that stuff.
Okay.
I'm a smell like people love.
You like lavender? You want some lavender?
Coconut papaya is also a really popular scent.
Okay. Heck yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the lavender. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Got you some lavender, Faith. Up here. Right? Up here. Up here. Up here. Good girl. You actually came up here. Good girl. Sit.
Do you want to use that, or are you ready to use one of our
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Alright y'all, so if you guys are looking for a great place to take your dog to spoil them, go to the dog boutique here in downtown Oklahoma City. Come on, Faith. You just got freshened up. You trying? Nope, we're going this way. This way. But as you guys can see, they got the lights, everything out here. Faith just got her hair done. We're getting ready to hop in the
for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Got a word for the bo driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control. In the name of love, you're around with me. Gotta work for the both of us. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control.